नेक्स्ट वन इज आंवले का प्रयोग। फ्रॉम धनतेरस टू भाई दूज, every evening, as soon as sun is going to set, within a ghati, means 24 minutes after sunset, you have to perform this. It is a very easy religious puja. You have to make dhoop, deep, whatever you want, how you are applying. So you have to pray for Lakshmi ji and give 5 amla at least to Lakshmi ji and chant Kanak Dhara Strot. Kanak Dhara Strot is a very specific strot. It is created by Shankaracharya ji. What I have come to know from reliable sources, that a very poor woman has given, who has even no cloth on his body, on her body, he has given a dry amla to Shankaracharya, and as soon as he got it, she has thrown it, because she is naked, she has no cloth to appear in front of Shankaracharya, and it is the Gruhani, duty of a Gruhani to give some bhiksha to a bhikshu. So she had nothing in his home, in her home. So he has given Sukha Amla. At that time, Shankaracharya ji has make a stuti strot of Kanak Dhara, and Lakshmi ji has poured lot of money over there for benefit of that poor woman. So if you are going to do these remedies with आंवले को क्या बोलते हैं विनायक जी?
I think sir, gooseberry.
So if you are going to do this thing with amla and Kanak Dhara strot every day for 5 days, you will get the, and you have to take it. You have to have it after offering this amla. And as you know, nowadays this COVID is going on, and it is an essential element. Vitamin C is an essential element for us. If you are going to have it, if you consume it, you will get a really good effect of it. Okay. So next, betel nut. In night of Diwali, during your Lakshmi Pujan, you have to put betel nut in puja with kalava. Kalava means this dori. I have given all these photographs over here so that you can easily understand. And in very next day, whenever you will make this Samapan Vidhi, or by night only, if you are going to do that Samapan at midnight, you have to take it and make it put in your tijori or in your safe. It will give some good effect in your life, I must sure. It is another prayog of Kamal Gatta. Kamal Gatta means a seed of lotus. Lotus seed. Okay. So on the day of Deepavali, whatever muhurat is there, I'm not talking about any muhurat. Okay. Anytime, whatever you prefer or whatever your pandit is given muhurat to you. So because everywhere you will find some different type of muhurat. Because our India is a very wide country. Somewhere you will find sunset at about 5 o'clock even in evening. Okay, so it is different. Muhurat is different. So I can't give muhurat just now. Okay, so take 16 Kamal Gatte. 16. Why 16? Because I am going to relate this Kamal Gatta with Sri Suktam. Sri Suktam has a 16 mantra or slok. So you have to read mantra. If you are not able to read that mantra, go for this YouTube. You will find it. And after, at the end of, and this Sri Sukta mantra I have discussed with Jitendra Bhai Shaiwala in Lakshmi Prapti Prayog. You may refer that video also. Okay. In that, he has given one idea to pour a pure ghee in a lamp. But in this, you have to offer one Kamal Gatta on the feet of Sri Lakshmi Ji. Okay. So it is a very simple prayog. At the end, sum up all these 16 Kamal Gatta and put in a theli. Okay. Keep it with you. It will give very benefit result. Now, there is a चौपाई सकल पदार्थ है जग माही भाग बिना नर पावत नाही भागहीन नर पावत नाही. So everybody is going to perform these puja remedies throughout a country, throughout a world, but everybody is not getting that much money. For that, you have to some specific horoscope. So I have got some techniques from my guru. In that, he has given some ideas. A planet who is aspecting the second house of your horoscope. A planet who is situated in the second house of your horoscope. A planet who is the owner of the second house of your horoscope. They all are become Dhankarak. And whenever Vishwantri Mahadasha of this planet or Antardasha of this planet are going according to your horoscope, simultaneously, if any of them are going to conjunct in a sign, that will be a favorable time to you to get extra income. I have given chart over here. In this chart, you can see Saturn and Jupiter, both are aspecting the second house. So Saturn and Jupiter become Dhankarak. Here another planet Mars is located over there. So Mars again become Yogkarak, Dhankarak planet. Its Lord, there is a Leo sign, so its Lord is Sun. So Sun also become Dhankarak. So whenever Mahadasa among these 4 planets or Antardasa among these 4 planets is going to take place, and simultaneously among these 4, any two are going to gather in a sign, in a gochar, that will be a Vishesh Dhankarak Yoga. So you will get if you will get such a Vishesh Dhankarak Yoga in your Kundali simultaneously, whenever Mataji is going to make blessing on you, you will definitely get the result. Another, a simple technique given by my gurus, I am stating over here. Whenever your sun is passing through a sign in which Lord of the 11th house is situated, which sign in which Lord of the 11th house is situated, Lagna ki Deshkan Rashi. Deshkan means the 3 part of a Rashi. Deshkan Tulya Rashi. Shubh Graha, a sign aspected by a benefic planet. All these are become a favorable sign for your wealth. Okay, so whenever Sun is going to transit from that Rasi, it's called the Suryamas. Okay, so whenever Sun is transiting from any sign, as you know, it is roughly around about 13 to 17 of any month. Okay, so during that time, Saturn is changing its sign. So in this horoscope, just you can see 11th Lord become Venus. It is situated in a Makar sign. Okay, so Makar is favorable sign. Second, Lagna Deshkan Tulya Rashi, it is Kark, so it is here. Third, Shubh Rasis, which are aspected by benefic planet. So Mithun is aspected by Mercury as well as Jupiter. Kark is aspected by Venus. Sin, it is aspected by Jupiter. And Tula, it is aspected by Jupiter again. So all these signs become a positive. Whenever Sun is going to pass through it, you will get the money. Likewise, you have to take test. Okay, I know that it is a common for all, but somewhere we are related with astrology, so I have given some ideas to you. Okay, now my next just now my senior and my respected Vasantaji has told us that Muhurt is not for all. Some Muhurt are good for you, some Muhurt are not good for you. So, a very senior astrologer of Gujarat, Jamna Das Jeev Rajani ji, he was passed away since for a long period. but he has given some basic ideas. Everybody is going to follow the pujan and system, what Chopra pujan and every pujan on Diwali day. Is it favorable to all? This pujan is always favorable to all of people. As we know, fourth Chandra from your basic Chandra, means your Janma Chandra, any fourth Chandra, sixth Chandra, or fourth, eighth and 12th Chandra are not good for you. So, as you know, Diwali comes on which Rasi? Whenever sun and moon are laying in same Rasi is called the Tula Rasi. Hence, it is a astrological reason why to take a vyapar or business in this particular day, because two luminary planets, sun and moon, are situated in a Tula Rasi, and Tula Rasi is the signification of the business. So we are taking that particular day for puja of our business, but it is not favorable to all of businessmen. If somebody has Kark Rasi, so Tula Rasi become the fourth Rasi for him. Okay, so it is not favorable for that fellow. Likewise, if somebody has Vrishchik Rasi, so Tula Rasi become the 12th Rasi from its own Rasi. It is also not favorable to it. Same thing happen if somebody has Meen Rasi. So this Murat, Atma Chandra, that is not favorable at all. So it is not a favorable day for your pujan or whatever you start. If you want to start new year once again if you want to start any business, it is not good for you. So you may go for Trayodasi, Prathama, Bhai Dooj, Labh Panchami, anything, any another tithi. I am not telling that don't do Chopra Pujan, don't go for anything. You may go, but you have to take another days, okay, which is favorable to you. So, for all Rasi, Diwali's Murat, क्या फल देगा? For Mesh, it will give new customer, new partnership. If you are not married and if you are going to perform puja on Deepavali, you will get life partner also. If you are of Mesh Rasi, I am talking. For profit and loss, there is not any surety. It may take place or it may not take place. For Rishabh, you will get financial benefit. New IOSN means new planning, new setup. You will get easily loan. You will get enough money according to your expenditure. Mithun, Vyatha means agony, Asanti, disturbance, Becheni. So it is not good for Mithun Rasi if you are going to perform Murat on this day. Kark, some illusionary, bhai, dangerous, you feel some kalpnik bhai. It may go gradually in real life. You may feel in real life. For Leo Rasi, it is good. You will get good success. Within while investing low money, you will get more profit. You will get the opportunity as well as fame in business circle. Kanya, Virgo, Vyapar, you will lose even your investment. During this year, if you are going to perform puja on this Diwali day, I am not talking about other days. Try to avoid that thing if you can. If you are not going to, go ahead. God is with you. You will make you. I may pray on behalf of you. Please, God, don't give any sorts of obstacle to them. But it is the reality on the basis of astrology. If you are going to perform like this, you will get the advantage. It is my advice. I am not going to impose my advice to you. Okay. For Tula, you may feel happiness, but there is no increase in your property or in asset. Wrishik, as Tula Rasi is the 12th sign from Scorpio, so you will lose your money gradually if you are going to perform your ritual on this particular when moon is in Tula. Don't go for that. Go and shift your puja for Nag Pacham. It is my humble request. Dhanu, Dhanadya, you will, it is the good time to become a rich man. Makar, you will get the good achievement in your business. Kumbh, Saskiya, Muskila money, means government interference, tax, license, so and so, Rajbhai, you have to going to get penalty. Likewise, for mean, खर्च में वृद्धि हो, दुखद घटनाओं में खर्च हो, means you have to face lot of bad event during this year if you are going to perform. Mind well, it is not mine, it is given by a senior astrologer and I always try to follow it, so I have given it to you. Now, last but not the least, it is the nakshatra. As you know, Diwali comes on when sun and moon both going to together in Tula Rasi. And in Tula Rasi, there are 3 nakshatra. One is Chitra, another is Swati, next one is Anuradha. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Another one is Vishakha. Hello. So these 3 nakshatra comes on Deepavali. They may take place. So in this year, what nakshatra is going to take place, I will show it to you. Okay. So these 3 nakshatra are Vipat for some, for Pratyari for some, Vad for some. So Chitra nakshatra become the Vipat nakshatra for Kritika, Uttara Phalguni, Uttara Ashadha. Pratyari nakshatra for Ashwini, Magha and Mool. Vad for Pushya, Anuradha and Uttar Bhadrapad. So if you have these 9 nakshatra if you are belonging to these 9 nakshatra, try to avoid Chitra Nakshatra Murat. Okay, it is my best advice to you, because this Tara Chakra is the most important part of our astrology. It's come from the Ved in a direct format, and it is most applicable till today. It is most applicable. So it's my humble request, please note down it. If you are going to perform any sorts of puja on Chitra Nakshatra, and if you are belonging to this nakshatra, try to avoid it. Okay. Next is Swati. For Swati, Rohini, Hasta and Savan. For Rohini, Hasta, Savan, Swati become the Vipat Nakshatra. For Bhani, Purva Phalguni, Purva Shada, Swati become the Pratyari Nakshatra. For Ashlesha, Jeshta and Revati, Swati become Vada Nakshatra. So if you are going to perform any sorts of puja or sadhana or whatever you want to do on this Swati Nakshatra, and you are belonging out of these 9 nakshatra, try to avoid it. Try to avoid it. It is my best advice to you. Next is Visakha. For Visakha, Visakha become the Vipat Nakshatra for Mokshis, Chitra and Dhanishta, Pratyari Nakshatra for Kritika, Uttara Phalguni and Uttarashada. Vad Nakshatra for Ashwini, Magha and Mool. And if you are going to, and this you are avoided, you have to avoid it if you are belonging to this nakshatra. Okay. So in this year, Vishakha Nakshatra is the Deepavali Nakshatra. Okay. So if you want to perform any sorts of puja on Diwali, and if you are belonging to Mrukshis, Chitra, Dhanishtika, Kritika, Uttar Phalguni, Uttar Asada, Ashwini, Magha, Mool, please, it is not a good time for you. Okay, it is I have calculated all these things on the basis of Vedic astrology. I never opposed any sorts of remedies, any sorts of puja. But गुजराती में एक प्रॉब्स है, बीमार आदमी को घी नहीं, बीमार आदमी को मूंग का पानी देना चाहिए. Okay, so it is my best advice to you. Vishakha Nakshatra will give this time. If you are going to perform puja on this Vishakha Nakshatra, you may start your new big योजना. नवीन कार्य के लिए शुभ नक्षत्र है, पूर्व दिशा से अच्छा लाभ होगा आपको, but subject to this. Next, धन्यवाद. महालक्ष्मी जी सदा सहाय अस्तु. Any question, please?
Okay, sir. Chat window is open. So if you have any questions, you can post your queries. So first question is from Nidhi Gupta. And she is asking, in those 11 nakshatras, only new clothes should be worn, or any other new personal items or house items used open also be give benefits?
What I have written over here, it is only for the new cloth, for a new cloth, which one is the best nakshatra, and you have to start to wear, not to fetch it. Okay. A nakshatra, to start to wear or to consume your cloth, to start your consume cloth, not to wear it.
And so what is the meaning of Lagna in Reshkar?
लगना इन देशकांड लग्न, देशकांड कुंडली जो होती है, which one is the देशकांड कुंडली? It is a again technical terms, but it's come from the. It is a slok from a book is called the Dev Kerlam. So
Yes.
it is the slok from Dev Kerlam. So I took it. Okay, Deshkan means as there is a Hora Kundli, Deshkan Kundli, Dwadasams Kundli, Namams Kundli, Vishams Kundli. Likewise, one Kundli is called the Deshkan Kundli. Okay, it is the third part of a Rasi. Deshkan means third part of a Rasi. So what is your Deshkan Lagna? That Rasi is become a favorable Rasi for you. Okay.
So next question is from Jitesh Kumar ji. He is
Yes.
saying, please specify the Rashi Fal that you have given will be in what circumstances? By performing puja on wrong muhurat, or for the all native having these native moon Rashi?
Who is going to perform puja on this particular day? Barabar hai?
Okay, so
Okay.
this Rashi Fal belongs to the person who is performing puja on that particular day. Okay.
On Tula Rasi, when moon is laying with Tula Rasi, and if he is going to perform this puja, for that this Rasi Fal is given.
Okay. And Kavita Chaudhary is asking, sir, how many kodis we have to take for puja? Number of kodis.
It is up to you. It is up to you. You may take 11 kodi, 5 kodi, even odd number which is suitable to you. You may take. If you find only one kodi, it is yellow kodi. It is not that much easy that you will go and find it. If you are not going to get that much kodi, you will get only one kodi. You put one kodi. You will get 11 kodi. You put 11 kodi. It is up to you. But you have to increase day by day. Okay, you don't. As kodi is going to be increased in your that potli is going to become bigger and bigger in size, and you are not going to dispose it. Okay, so try maintain a
And
ratio.
I will take only two more questions. The first is, whenever you mention Rashi, so does this mean ascendant or the moon sign?
Moon sign.
Moon sign. Okay. And the next is for the signs that we that can't do on Diwali day. Is it for all pujas? So we can't do anything on Diwali day.
What I have told over here, it is particular basic on Vyapar or like this. Who is going to do their business, Chopra Pujan, and going to make a new venture. For those, it is most important. If you are going to, suppose since a long time, in Parampara, you are worshipping Goddess Lakshmi at the evening of Diwali, don't bother for that. Okay, because at that time, whole family is going to do that thing. In business, a person who is leading in that business is going to perform that business puja. Okay, so there is some different. It is good. Thank you. Who has asked this question? I am very thankful to that fellow.
Yeah, Deepesh ji ne pucha hai.
Yes.
And with another question, so for people who don't have to do Diwali puja, when should they do? Should they check the muhurat on Labh Panchami, or without muhurat they can?
Yes, they may go for this Trayodasi, Ekadasi, Bhai Dooj, or Labh Panchami. There are so many, but it is a fact. Don't rush like a rasgulla. Don't use all these murat and puja like a rasgulla. It is not advisable at all. So if I am harsh in my word, I am sorry for that. But it is my humble request. So every antibiotic is not suitable to you. If somebody got the antibiotic and become cured from any disease, so you will go and take it directly. As Vasantaji has just told you, if you want to go for a Bij mantra, you have to go to your gurus. He will give that Bij mantra. He has just suggested you have to rectify it, or you have to ask this Bij mantra is good for me or not. You have to go for that to your guru. So it is a good thing what we are doing. We are doing the welfare of the people. We are doing all these things, but with some certain limitations.
Okay. And there are 3 questions asked by Nidhi Gupta ji. So first 2 questions I think are very basic questions. So you have to study this Vedic Jyotish principles. Like in first question, she is asking, please explain about Vipat and Vada meaning. So this is a very basic concept. So I think we don't have that much of time to discuss all these Tara
So
system.
I think Nidhi Gupta is she is a student of our JPC also. I think so. So
Yeah. So if she is a student of JPC, then don't worry. We
you
will
will
cover
get
all
the
these
answer
topics.
over there.
Yeah. And the third question is, I think we can take, like, if Muhurta is good for wife but not good for husband, then how to
Oh,
decide?
so just I have told you. Just I have told you. I have mentioned this thing over here that if it is a venture, or it is a chopra pujan, or it is a business, or it is a office, at that time you have to take a rasi of that particular person who is doing that business. Okay, but in general, in puja, if you are going to do this puja in home, it doesn't make that much difference, sir. Okay,
Hmm.
if if both they are doing the same business, if both they are doctor, or they are lawyer, or they are sub consultant, having same capacity and still doing the same business, one is favorable, another is not favorable, so go for third one, which is favorable to both of them.
Hmm.
Okay,